राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to class 7 of Shri Raghuveera Gadyam. So yesterday, as you all know, we have learnt some of the lines pertaining to Yuddha Kandaha, and we have completed till the coronation of Vibhishana. So today we are going to proceed further, and like I was saying yesterday, we are going to learn the lines pertaining to the coronation of Sri Rama, that is Sri Rama Pattabhisheka, and the lines after that as well. So we are going to complete Yuddha Kandaha and learn the first few lines or so of the last Kanda, the 7th Kanda, that is Uttara Kandaha. Welcome to you all. Welcome to our panelists, Aditi and Ishu. As usual, we will start with a quick recap of the verses which we have learned yesterday, the lines which we have learned yesterday, and then we will proceed to the new lines. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या ParamavyomaBhaskarah. Yes, so from 61 onwards, we learned these lines yesterday. I will quickly recap these lines. अभिचरण हुतवः परिचरण विघटन सरभस परिपतद परिमित कपिबल जलधि लहरि कल कलरव कुपित मघवजिरभिहनन कृदनुज साक्षिक राक्षसद्वन्द्व युद्ध अप्रतिद्वन्द्व पौरुष त्र्यंबक समधिक घोरास्त्राडंबर सारथि हृतरथ सत्रप शात्रव सत्यापित प्रताप शीतशर कृतलवन दशमुख मुख दशक निपतन पुनरुदय दर दलित जनित दर तरल हरिहयनयन नलिन वन रुचि खचित निपतित सुरतरु कुसुम वितति सुरभितरथ पथ अखिल जगदधिक भुज बल वर बल दशलपन लपन दशकलवन जनित कगन परवश रजनिचर युवति विलपन वचन सम विषय निगम शिखर निकर मुखर मुख मुनिवर परिपणित अभिगत शतमख हुतवः पितृपति निर्ऋति वरुण पवन धनग गिरीश प्रमुख सुरपति नुति मुदित अपितमति विधि विदित कथित निज विभव जलधि पृषतलव विगत भय विबुध विबोधित वीर शयन शायित वानर प्रतनौघ स्वसमय विघटित सुघटित सहृदय सहधर्मचारिणीक विभीषण वशं वरीकृत लंकैश्वर्य. Okay, so let us learn from the 72nd line. Aditi, please unmute. Aditi, yes. निष्पन्न कृत्य
कृत्य निष्पन्नकृत्य
खपुष्पितरिपुपक्ष
खपुष्पितरिपुपक्ष खपुष्पितरिपुपक्ष.
Here kha is Mahaprana. One of you had emailed me asking if the Mahapranas have to be stressed upon while reciting. Yes, that is the point of pointing out the Mahapranas. So even with a tune, when we are reciting, the Mahapranas have to be differentiated. So khapushpita ripupaksha,
खपुष्पितरिपुपक्ष खपुष्पितरिपुपक्ष.
पुष्पकरभसगति
पुष्पकरभसगति पुष्पकरभसगति.
गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव
गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव.
Here rabha bha is Mahaprana. पुष्पकरभसगति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव
पुष्पकरभसगति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव पुष्पकरभसगति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव.
प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण
प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण.
भरतमनोरथ
भरतमनोरथ भरतमनोरथ.
संहित
संहित संहित.
सिंहासनाधिरूढ
सिंहासनाधिरूढ सिंहासनाधिरूढ.
प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण
प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण.
भरतमनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ
भरतमनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ भरतमनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ.
Here Pratignyarnavataranakritakshan Bharata Bha is Mahaprana, Manoratha Tha is Mahaprana, Samhita Simhasanadhirudha Dhi is Mahaprana and Dha is Mahaprana. So this is the line which is referring to the coronation or when Rama ascends the throne, that is the Pattabhisheka of Sri Rama in Ayodhya. So after the war in Lanka, yesterday we learned that Vibhishana was coronated as the king and all of them come back to Ayodhya in the Pushpaka Vimana. So that is the 74th line. That is a reference to the speed at which Pushpaka Vimana traveled from Lanka to Ayodhya with all of them, and that made the ocean look very small. And that's the meaning, Goshpadi Krita Gaganarnava, because the Pushpaka Vimana was traveling at such a great speed. And next line is referring to the coronation of Sri Rama, and also another episode which is imbibed in this particular Sambodhana beautifully by the Kavi. As you all know, Bharata had taken a vow of immolating himself if Rama doesn't return after 14 years of Vanavasa. So exactly at the time when the 14th year and the last day gets completed, Bharata had told Sri Rama that he should return to become king. Otherwise, Bharata would commit Agni Pravesha. And also, you all know that in the beginning, when Rama goes for Vanavasa, Bharata comes and pleads with Rama for his, actually he pleads with him to come back. But when Rama refuses, he takes the paduka and does paduka pattabhisheka, that is making the paduka or the footwear of Rama as the ruler to rule the kingdom, and Bharata only rules as a representative, so he doesn't ascend the throne. And exactly at the end of the last day of the 14th year, Bharata was ready to go ahead with his vow and to commit Agni Pravesha when Hanuman comes and tells him that Rama has arrived. So after that particular episode, then we have Pattabhisheka of Sri Rama. So each line here, there is so much of Srimad Ramayanam which is imbibed in that particular line. So let us recite this again. प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ
प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरणकृतक्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ.
Uttamam. Let's move to the next line. Swamin
Swamin Swamin
Raghava Simha
Raghava Simha Raghava Simha.
This is after the coronation, after Pattabhisheka, the Sambodhana which Sri Vedanta Deshikacharya is giving us is Swamin, that is Lord of the universe, Raghava Simha. Generally, I mean, as per what I have learned from my guru also, these two Sambodhanas are recited in the higher pitch, but it's really up to you. You can continue in the same octave in which we are chanting the rest of the lines also. Swamin Raghava Simha
Swamin Raghava Simha Swamin Raghava Simha.
Dha is Mahaprana here. Hataka Giri Kataka Ladaha Padapitha.
Hataka Giri Kataka Ladaha Padapitha. Hataka Giri Kataka Ladaha Padapitha.
Nikata Tata Pariluthita.
Nikata Tata Pariluthita. Nikata Tata Pariluthita.
Nikhila Nripati Kirita Koti.
Nikhila Nripati Kirita Koti. Nikhila Nripati Kirita Koti.
Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara.
Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara. Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara.
Nirajita.
Nirajita. Nirajita.
Charana Rajiva.
Charana Rajiva. Charana Rajiva.
Okay. So Hataka Giri Kataka Ladaha Padapitha. Tha is Mahaprana. Nikata Tata Pariluthita. Thi is Mahaprana. Nikhila. Khi is Mahaprana. Nripati Kirita Koti Vividha. Dha is Mahaprana. Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva. A very beautiful comparison again here. So this is describing the feet of Sri Rama on the Simhasanam, and so the comparison given by Sri Vedanta Deshikaha here is Nikhila Nripati Kirita Koti Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva. So Nikhila Nripati, there are many kings who have come for attending this Pattabhishekam of Sri Rama, and they are having crowns, kirita koti, so crores of crowns of the kings who have come to attend Sri Rama's Pattabhisheka, and those crowns have Vividha Mani Gana, so they have multiple gems. Kirana, and Kirana refers to the light or the lustre which is emanated from the gems on the crowns of the crores of kings who have come to the coronation ceremony. Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva. So that light which is emanating from the gems on the crowns of the crores of kings who have come for the Pattabhisheka and have prostrated to Sri Rama, that is looking like Nirajana to the lotus feet of Rama. So what a beautiful comparison. Nirajita is Mangalarati or Nirajanam. Charana Rajiva. So the lotus feet of Rama, the lustre emanated from the gems on the crowns of these multiple kings who have come, that is looking like the Nirajanam to the lotus feet of Rama. So this is the meaning of this line. We will repeat. Hataka giri kataka ladaha pada pitha nikata tata pariluthita nikhila nripati kirita koti.
हाटकगिरि कटक लडह पाद पीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि हाटकगिरि कटक लडह पाद पीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि
Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva.
Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva. Vividha Manigana Kirana Nikara Nirajita Charana Rajiva.
Now the entire line. Hataka giri kataka ladaha pada pitha nikata tata pariluthita nikhila nripati kirita koti dibidha manigana kirana nikara nirajita charana rajiva.
हाटकगिरि कटक लडह पाद पीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित चरण राजीव हाटकगिरि कटक लडह पाद पीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित चरण राजीव.
Uttamam. On Mahapranas, there is a particular question. Mahodaya, Mahapranas have been emphasized upon right from the first class in each and every line. Each and every line, I underline the Mahaprana, and then that has been repeated after every line. So if you go through the previous video recordings of the classes, you will come across the Mahapranas. And regarding the Tamil script, I am sorry, I am not conversant with Tamil script. My knowledge of Tamil is very elementary. I am not sure how Mahapranas are indicated in Tamil script, but probably there is a way, and maybe anyone who is well versed in Tamil would know about it. But I really cannot answer that question about Tamil script because, like I said, I'm sorry, I do not know Tamil script. But here, wherever there is a Mahaprana, I underline here. If you are able to follow the diacriticals, in that also I highlight to show the difference between Alpa Prana, Mahaprana. And in the first session, we have also dealt with this difference in brief, showing you the chart of the Vargas, that is of Vargiya Vyanjanani, and the difference between the Alpa Prana and Mahaprana. I hope this is helpful. Regarding Tamil script, I will probably find out from others who will be aware of it and let you know if there is any differentiation there. I have heard that Tamil script does not have the difference, but I will definitely let you know, and I will also check if they have been indicated in the on the portal in the Tamil document which is shared with you. I will have to check with someone who knows to read Tamil, and I will clarify regarding that. Next, Aditi. Divya Bhaumayodhyaधिदैवत.
Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhiदैवत. Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhiदैवत.
Bhauma Yodhya. Divya Bhauma Ayodhyadhiदैवत. So here Bhauma is Mahaprana. That is, Bhau is Mahaprana. Dhya is Mahaprana, and Dhi is also Mahaprana. So two Mahapranas next to each other consecutively. Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhi Daivata. Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhi Daivata.
Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhiदैवत. Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhiदैवत.
Once again.
Divya Bhauma Yodhyadhiदैवत.
Okay. Some of them have indicated certain ways in which Mahaprana. Thank you very much. I will probably read out what they have said. Only the letters can be in bold to make two variants, but to indicate four variants, it is difficult in Tamil. Some of them have said that in Tamil, Mahapranas are clearly indicated with suffix 2 and 4 to the letter. That is very helpful. Thank you. There is in Tamil, there is a version with constant numbers 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 4 are Mahapranas. So there is a way to indicate. Thank you very much, all of you, for sharing this. And I've also received, some of them have said that it has been numbered in the Tamil script also, which is uploaded in the portal. It is clearly explained in Tamil. It is called Nedil Eruthu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Yes, so the consistent reply which I have received is in Tamil, consonants numbers 2 and 4 are indicative of Mahapranas. Thank you very much, all of you, for this. This is very helpful for those who were asking me about Tamil script. Okay, there's also another message. Please check prapatti.com, which has the Tamil script and has numbers for Mahapranas. It may be useful for the Tamil readers to follow that. Thank you very much, all of you. That's very helpful. Now we will proceed. Pitrivadha kupita parashudhara muni vihita.
Pitrivadha kupita parashudhara muni vihita. Pitrivadha kupita parashudhara muni vihita.
Dripahanana kadana purva kala prabhava.
Dripahanana kadana purva kala prabhava. Dripahanana kadana purva kala prabhava.
Shataguna pratisthapita.
Shataguna pratisthapita. Shataguna pratisthapita. Shataguna pratisthapita.
Dharmika Rajavamsha.
Dharmika Rajavamsha. Dharmika Rajavamsha.
So here, Pitrivadha, dha is Mahaprana, Kupita, Parashudhara Muni Vihita, dha again is Mahaprana, Dripa Hanana Kadana, Purva Kala Prabhava. Please note the Dvitvam here, the double sound, Purva Kala Prabhava. Bha is Mahaprana, Shataguna, Pratisthapita, Tha is Mahaprana. Dvitvam again here, Shataguna Pratisthapita, that double sound of P. So here, Purva Kala Prabhava, Shataguna Pratisthapita, Dharmika, Dha is Mahaprana, धार्मिक राजवंश पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन
पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन
पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश
पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश.
Now the entire line. पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश
पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश.
Aditi, next also. Aditi, please continue. Also, one of you has mentioned that the Tamil script on the portal is very useful. Thank you very much for sharing that. So if anybody wants to use the Tamil script on the portal, you could download and use that. So like I said, it is there in 6 different languages. Shubha Charitarata Bharata
शुभ चरित रत भरत शुभ चरित रत भरत
खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत
खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत
विजय गाथा शत
विजय गाथा शत विजय गाथा शत.
शुभ भ is Mahaprana. Shubha Charitarata Bharata Bha is Mahaprana. Kharvita Kha Gandharva Dha Yutha Tha here. Yutha Geeta. So Yutha Tha is Mahaprana. Geeta there it is Alpaprana. Vijaya Gatha Shata. Gatha Tha is Mahaprana. Shata Ta is Alpaprana. शुभ चरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत.
शुभ चरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत. शुभ चरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत.
शासित मधुसुत
शासित मधुसुत शासित मधुसुत
शत्रुघ्न सेवित
शत्रुघ्न सेवित शत्रुघ्न सेवित.
मधु धु is Mahaprana. Shatrughna घ्ना is Mahaprana. शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित.
शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित.
कुशलव परिगृहीत
कुशलव परिगृहीत कुशलव परिगृहीत
कुलगाथा विशेष
कुलगाथा विशेष कुलगाथा विशेष
So कुलगाथा tha is a mahaprana here. कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष
कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष
उत्तमम. Now let's move to the next slide. Ishu, could you help from here? Thank you, Aditi. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Vidhivash.
Vidhivash. Vidhivash.
Parinamadamarapaniti.
Parinamadamarapaniti. Parinamadamarapaniti.
Kavivara rachita nija charita.
Kavivara rachita nija charita. Kavivara rachita nija charita.
Nibandhana.
Nibandhana. Nibandhana.
Nishamana nirvrita.
Nishamana nirvrita. Nishamana nirvrita.
Okay, so let us note the Mahapranas here. Vidhivasha. Dhi is Mahaprana. Parinamadamara phaniti. Pa. So this particular letter in Sanskritam we pronounce it as pa. For example, phalam, fruit. So we don't say fa. Those who have studied Hindi and those who are conversant with Hindi, sometimes they tend to pronounce it as fa, but please note we do not say fa, we say pa. So this letter is pronounced as phaniti, pa. Kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana. Dha is Mahaprana. Nishamana nirvrita. Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti.
Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti. Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti.
Kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita.
Kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita. Kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita.
The entire line. Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita.
Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita. Vidhivasha parinamadamara phaniti kavivara rachita nija charita nibandhana nishamana nirvrita.
Sarvajana sammanita.
Sarvajana sammanita. Sarvajana sammanita.
Punarupasthapita.
Punarupasthapita. Punarupasthapita.
Vimanavara vishranana prinita.
Vimanavara vishranana prinita. Vimanavara vishranana prinita.
Vaishravana vishravita yasha prapancha.
Vaishravana vishravita yasha prapancha. Vaishravana vishravita yasha prapancha.
Punarupasthapita. Tha is Mahaprana. Here the next one is Alpaprana. Vimanavara Vishranana Prinita. Dvitvam. Please note the pronunciation. Vishranana Prinita. Vaishravana. Vishravita. Yasha Prapancha. Visarga followed by Pa. That is Upadmaniya. So we recite it as Yasha Prapancha. Punarupasthapita Vimanavara Vishranana Prinita Vaishravana Vishravita Yasha Prapancha.
Punarupasthapita Vimanavara Vishranana Prinita Vaishravana Vishravita Yasha Prapancha. Punarupasthapita Vimanavara Vishranana Prinita Vaishravana Vishravita Yasha Prapancha.
Okay, now next line. Panchatapanna Munikumara.
Panchatapanna Munikumara. Panchatapanna Munikumara.
Sanjeevanamrita.
Sanjeevanamrita. Sanjeevanamrita.
Panchatapanna Munikumara Sanjeevanamrita.
Panchatapanna Munikumara Sanjeevanamrita. Panchatapanna Munikumara Sanjeevanamrita.
Tretayuga Pravartita.
Tretayuga Pravartita. Tretayuga Pravartita.
Kartayuga Vrittanta.
Kartayuga Vrittanta. Kartayuga Vrittanta.
Tretayuga Pravartita Kartayuga Vrittanta.
Tretayuga Pravartita Kartayuga Vrittanta. Tretayuga Pravartita Kartayuga Vrittanta.
This is Tretayuga Pravartita. So Dvitvam again there, the double sound before Pravartita. Tretayuga Pravartita Kartayuga Vrittanta. Next line. Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha.
Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha. Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha.
Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita.
Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita. Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita.
Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Nijavarnashrama Dharma. Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Here Hayamakha. Kha is Mahaprana. Then the last word Nijavarnashrama Dharma. Dha. That is also Mahaprana. Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama Dharma. Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Once again, issue.
Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Tamam issue. Is it Nirvahana or Nirbhahana? No, it is Nirvahana. Avikala Bahu Suvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama dharma. Okay, so maybe we will stop with this line for today, 89. We have 5 more and then the concluding line that we will do tomorrow and then the shlokas. So tomorrow we may take less time for the Anucharanam. A quick recap of what we have learned today. And then I have noted down the names of all those who have sent me an email that you want to chant. So I will call out your names individually. Please chant whichever lines you please, or you can chant whichever is displayed on the screen. Nishpanna kritya khapushpita ripupaksha pushpakarabhasagati goshpadi krita gaganarnava प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरण कृतक्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ स्वामिन् राघव सिंह हाटक गिरिकटक लडः पादपीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित चरण राजीव दिव्य भौमायोध्याधिदैवत पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश शुभ चरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्भ गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष विधिवश परिणमदमर फणिति कविवर रचित निज चरित निबंधन निशमन निर्वृत सर्वजन सम्मानित पुनरुपस्थापित विमानवर विश्राणन प्रीणित वैश्रवण विश्रावित यश प्रपंच पंचतापन्न मुनिकुमार संजीवनामृत त्रेतायुग प्रवर्तित कार्तयुग वृत्तान्त अविकल बहु सुवर्ण हयमख सहस्र निर्वहण निर्वर्तित निज वर्णाश्रम धर्म. So we have learned till this. We have 2 more slides, that is 90 to 94, and then a few 2-3 shlokas for tomorrow. So I will call out the names of those who have sent me a request by email that you want to chant. Also, another thing is that I only know the name as you have sent me in your email. If you are present here with a different ID and a different name, I wouldn't know. So please let me know. Maybe you could type in the questions tab and send me if I call out your name, but you're present with a different name here, because I will have to search for your names individually and call out. Shivashankar Mahodayah, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Let me just, do you have any particular choice of lines you want to chant?
You can give me anything.
Okay, yeah, maybe from the beginning then, yes.
Sriman Venkatanataryaha Kavitarkika Kesari Vedantacharya Varyo Me Sannidhattam Sada Hrudi Jayatyashrita.
Just a second, Mahodaya. So it is Shriman Venkatanathāryaha. Venkata. So it is not Venkata, it is Venkata. In Sanskritam, we only have a dirgha. Venkatanathāryaha. And the third line, Vedantacharya Varyome. Vedanta Acharya Varyaha. Vedantacharya Varyome. Sannidhattam. Dha is Mahaprana.
Okay, madam. You want me to repeat it, madam?
Yes, this verse, Mahodaya.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि.
Uttamam Mahodaya. If the Mahapranas are clearer, that would be better. For example, Nat Venkatanathāryah. So that would come with practice. Dhanyavadaha. Some of you are sending me a message now that you want to chant. Yesterday I had indicated that some of them could email me if they want to. So I will first call out the names which I have received by email. After that, if there is time, then others could chant. Also, today I am prepared to stay for a little longer. Those who want to stay and chant, you could. Maybe for 10 minutes or so. So it is up to you, so that more people can chant. Ujjwala Bhagini, please unmute.
राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
जयत्याश्रित संत्रास ध्वान्त विध्वंस नोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योम भास्करः.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः.
Karthik Narayanaswamy Mahodaya, please unmute.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Already I chatted in Gita, Bhagavad Gita, so I just wanted to try this also again.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, I'll just try this. If I make any mistakes, just let me just tell me, because this is the first time I've joined this class.
Yes, yes.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikala Nirajara Niradrita Niravaktika Mahatmya.
Your Hasva Dirghas being a little interchanged, Mahodaya. Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikhila Nirjara Nirdharita Niravadhika Mahatmya. Maybe if you listen to the recording and repeat, you might be able to practice better.
Fine.
So once you practice, you will get it. Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Vidya Lakshmi Bhagini or Janhavi Satish. There were two names. I am not sure which name you are using here. Janhavi Satish Bhagini. Okay, I found your name.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरण विमोचन.
Uttamam Bhagini, just one observation. It is not Charama Rana, it is Charama Rina.
Oh, Charama
Rina. Yes. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. So before we move to the next person, I remembered that one of you had sent me an email asking me what is this letter. This is Charama Rina. And in Sanskritam we have R and R. So this is not R, this is not Dirgha, this is a Hrasva, that is a short letter, a short vowel. This is Charama Rina. So I hope that difference is clear. And one more doubt, I said I will tell you the pronunciation in class. Namaha Shankaraya, how do we pronounce that? You could either, this one of them sent me an email regarding this. It is okay to say Namaha Shankaraya or combining the Sandhi Namah Shankaraya. Both are correct. So if you choose to split, it would be Namaha Shankaraya. If you combine the Sandhi, it would be Namah Shankaraya. Next, Ravichandar S. Mahodaya. Yes, okay. Please unmute. Ravichandar S. Mahodaya. It says self-muted.
Am I audible, Mahodaya?
You are audible.
One second.
Yeah.
Chalanam kurvan asmi ekam side. Karayanam chalanam kurvan asmi ekanimisham.
महोदय एवं चेत् श्वः वक्तुं शक्यते चालनम्
Adya eva. Because I have been waiting for 4 days. Because since you have a lot of people, I didn't get my opportunity. So I will utilize the opportunity immediately.
Okay,
Same line, can I? Yeah, please.
While driving, if you are reciting, it's a little. Please drive safe. Otherwise, you can recite tomorrow.
No. I have put it on the side. My car is stationary. Yeah. Same line. Should I try?
Or whichever.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara Kaumara Keli Gopayita Kaushikadvara Ranadvara Dhurya Bhavya Divyastra Brindita.
Brinda Vandita. I think I lost the audio for
Thank
a
you.
bit.
And also, one second. Here in the Bluetooth. Am I audible?
Yes.
Sorry. Also, kindly add me to the Bhagavad Gita group. I have written many mails, but somehow people could be busy.
Thank you.
They didn't respond.
Thank you. You brought this up, Mahodaya. I will also respond to this and to all others who have sent an email regarding that. So for adding you to Bhagavad Gita, you will not be able to register because you will have to do it from your email ID. The way to do it is to go to Sanskrit from Home page where you registered for this course. There you can find Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita course. Just click on take this course. So you will have to log in with your account and say take course. Others will not be able to add you. So which is why
Sanskrit from Home, not vyomalabs.in.
Sanskritfromhome.in. Yes, that website belongs to Vyoma Labs, but that website is sanskritfromhome.in. So
thank you so much.
Dhanyavadaha. So everyone who has asked me for this, you will have to register yourself because like I said, you will have to do it with your login details. Also, the Bhagavad Gita course is concluding next week, but you can anyway register and go through the recordings and the PPTs. We have come to the final chapter. Last few verses we will complete this week. Next, Maithili Ramesh Bhagini. Please unmute Bhagini. We can hear you. 10th line Bhagini. Pranatajana. Bhagini, unable to hear you now. Kshamyatam Bhagini, not able to hear you. Okay, maybe we will try after some time. Uma Devi Bhagini. Uma Devi Bhagini, I don't see your name in the list of attendees here. Or are you here with any other name? I got the email as Uma Devi. Okay, unable to find. Radhika Sridharan Bhagini. I have the list of emails which were sent till this afternoon. If you have sent me an email after this class began, I will call out your name tomorrow. Radhika Sridharan Bhagini.
Yeah.
Yes.
प्रणतजन विमत विमत्तन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिक विताडन विगडित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय जड किरण सकल दर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पडु.
Sorry to interrupt. There are a few observations. The Mahapranas should be clearer. Tanutara Vitadana
Tanutara Vishika Vitadana Vigadita Vishararu Shararu Tataka Tatakeya Jada Kirana Sakaladara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tata Natana Patu Vibhuda Faridadi Bahula Madhugala Lalita Padanalina Raja Upamrudita Nijavrudina Jagatupala Tanurutira Parama Munivar Yuvatinuta.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Same observation everywhere. The Mahapranas should be clearer. Jada Kirana Shakala Dhara. So Vibudha Madhugalana. So everywhere the Mahapranas should be clearer. It would come with practice. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Jnanam Natarajan. G Natarajan. And there is Jnanam Natarajan. I'm not sure which one I should unmute. Okay, G Natarajan Mahodaya. Please unmute. There are two names, Jnanam Natarajan and G Natarajan. I have unmuted G Natarajan. Please unmute. Okay. Okay, now I'll unmute Jnanam Natarajan. Please unmute if you want to recite. Okay, it says self-muted. Not able to unmute. Oh, I think it's unmuted now. But can't hear. Okay. Subramanya Sitaraman Mahodaya. Yes, Sitaraman Subramanya Mahodaya, please unmute. Kushika Sutta. 13th line Mahodaya. I can't hear. Okay, I'm not sure why this is happening. Unable to hear. Shanmuga Priya Bhagini. Please unmute Shanmuga Priya Bhagini.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, yes.
I want to chant 28th number.
28th.
20.
20, okay, yes.
Yeah. Kraduhara Shikari Kanduka Vigrunyunmuka Jagadharunduta Runduta Jita Hari Tandi Tanda Tanduroronta Dashavadana Damana Kushala Dashashada Bhujamuka Drupadi Kula Rudira Jarabara Barita Prudutara Tadaga Tarpita Pitruga Brugurpati Sugadi Vigadi Karanada Parudi Shubariga.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Few things here. Here I heard it as Vihrit Nyunmukha. There is no na there. Vihrit Nyunmukha. Here it is ta. Vihrit Nyunmukha. And
Vihrit Nyunmukha.
Yeah, Vihrit Nyunmukha. Yes. And the Mahapranas be clearer. Dasha Shata Bhuja Mukha Dripati Kula Rudhira Jara Bhara Bharita Prithutara. So all the Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, well chatted. Monica Balaji Bhagini, please unmute. Monica Balaji Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I
Gurubhyo
try the
Namaha.
same line Bhagini.
Which one?
The same line, 20.
Same line. Okay.
20 itself.
Yes.
Kratuhara shikhari kanduka vihrutyunmukhad Jagadaruntuda jita hari danti danta danturo dashavadana damana kushala dashashata bhuja mukha nripati kula rudhira charabhara bharita prututara tataka tarpita pitruka bhrugupati sugati vihati kara nata parudishu parigha.
Uttamam Bhagini, could you just say the first word again?
Kratuhara.
Yes, Kratuhara. Yes, correct. And Prithutara, the Mahapranas here and there. Prithutara.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Okay. Thanks,
yes.
ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. I'm first calling out those names whose emails I received before the class started today. Soumya Krishnan Bhagini, please unmute. Which line do you want to chant, Bhagini?
Anything, Mahodaya.
Anything, okay. Then maybe the next one, we will go to the next slide. Yeah. Anritabhaya.
Anritabhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitruvachana Palana Pratignya Vagyata Yauvarajya Nishadarajya Sauhri.
Sorry to interrupt. Palana Pratignya Vagyata. The Dvitvam. Palana.
Yes.
Vagyata.
Palana Pratignya Vagyata Yauvarajya Nishadaraja Sauhrida Suchita Saushilya Sagara Bharadvaja Shasana Parigrihita Vichitra Chitrakootagiri Katakatata Ramya Vasatha.
Tamam Bhagini. So please remember the Dvitvam, all of you. Palana Pratignya Vagyata Yauvarajya. The Dvitvam has to be chanted. So please remember that. Dhanyavadaha Soumya Bhagini. Next, could we listen to Padma Narayanan Bhagini next? Please unmute.
Anritya Bhaya Mashuta. Oh, which line? Sorry.
Next, 24th.
Okay. Ananya Shasaniya Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sugatita Padukagraya Padukagriyabhisheka Nivritita Sarvaloka Yogakshema.
This word is not Nivritita, it is Nirvartita.
Okay. Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sukhatita Padukagriyabhisheka Nirvartita Sarvaloka Yogakshema.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, Jayashri Mohan Bhagini. Please unmute. It says self-muted. Jayashri Mohan Bhagini. Please unmute Bhagini.
Vishitaruchi. Oh, I think I should do that.
Oh, you have to go back on mute Bhagini. Padma Narayanan Bhagini. Yes, once you finish reciting, please go back on mute. Jayashri Mohan Bhagini, please unmute. I see your hand raised. You've also sent me an email. Okay, I'm not sure why you are unable to unmute there. Shankar Srinivasan Mahodaya. Shankar, oh, I think Shankara Krishnan Srinivasan, probably the same
yes.
Person has. Yes, okay. Yes.
Hello, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes, yeah, you can chant this. Pishita Ruchi.
पिशित रुचि विहित दुरित बल मथन तनय बलि भृग नुगति सरबस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य.
Here Mahodaya, Bali Bhuganugati. I heard something else there. Bali Bhuganugati and Samarthya. Tha is Mahaprana.
सामर्थ्य. द्रुहिण हर बल मथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य दंडका तपोवन जंगम पारिजात.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Please pay attention to the Mahapranas, all of you. That is one common observation. Rama Ramesh Bhagini, please unmute.
Hello.
Please chant. Yes, Bhagini.
Oh, okay. From Viradha Harina.
Ha, you could chant from Viradha Harina. Yes.
Viradha Harina Shardula विलुलित बहुफल मख कलम रजनिचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृद नुरोध.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. The Mahapranas were clear. Very well chanted. Next. Sunita Yelamanchili Bhagini. Please unmute. It says self-muted. Please unmute.
Bhagini,
yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Trisirasirastrataya nimirasavasara dushana jalanidhi.
Just a second, it is not Shirastrataya, it is Shirastritaya. Shirastritaya.
Okay. Trisirastritaya timira nirasa vasarakara dushana jalanidhi shoshana toshita rushigana ghoshita vijaya ghoshana kharataru khandana chanda pavana.
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. This Sha pronunciation, it is Shoshana. Here also Trishira Shirastritaya. I mean, this Sha should not be pronounced as Sa. That slight difference. Please note that.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Bharani Rangarajan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste. I'll change the slide.
Yeah. You can hear me, right?
I can hear you, yes.
Dvisabta rakshas sahasra nalavana vilolana mahakalabha asahaya shura anapaya sahasa.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Maithili Ramesh Bhagini, I called out your name. Did you chant? Probably you didn't unmute. Let me just. Maithili Ramesh Bhagini, yes, I'm unmuting you. You had sent an email also. Yes.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Now I can hear you.
Thank you. Mahita Mahamrida Darshana Mudita Maithili Dhridadara Parirambhana Vibhava Viropita Vikata Veerabrana Maricha Maya Mrigacharma Parikarmita Nirbhara Garbhastarana.
Tamam Bhagini, just the Mahapranas here. Mahita Mahamridha Darshana Mudita Maithili Dridhatara. This word should be clearer. Dridhatara Parirambhana.
Dridhatara. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. I have called out all the names, whoever had sent me an email. like I said, till this evening. Other emails I will see after the class. Okay, it's already, we have passed time. So G Natarajan Mahodaya, yes, I called out your name. Your daughter wants to chant. I can unmute you right now. Jnanam Natarajan Mahodaya, it says muted. Could you please unmute and chant? Yes, you are unmuted now. Vikrama. I cannot hear you, Mahodaya. Maybe you can check the audio settings and chant tomorrow. I will make a note. You can probably chant tomorrow. I still can't hear you. Okay, it's almost 5:15 and there will be other webinars also starting. Anita Vinod Bhagini. Okay, maybe we will take Anita Vinod Bhagini and then we will stop for today. Those who did not chant today also, you can send me an email. But like I said, first preference to those who haven't chanted even once till now. Anita Vinod Bhagini, you could chant.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Bhagini, I will try. Please correct me if I go wrong somewhere.
Yes, no problem at all. Whichever line you want.
Okay. Vikrama Yasholabha Vikrita Jivita Grudaraja Deha Diksha Lakshita Bhakta Jana Dakshinya.
Second Bhagini, it is Yasholabha Vikrita Jivita.
Okay, Bhagini.
Grudaraja Deha Didhaksha. There is no Dikshita here. Didhaksha Lakshita Bhakta Jana Dakshinya.
Okay. Okay, Bhagini.
Okay. You could practice with the recording, then it will become easier.
Sure, Bhagini. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Dhanyavadaha. So now we will have to stop here. Sorry, like I said, there will be other webinars starting also. Please send me an email. If you send, there are so many questions here that I really can't remember all the names once I log out. So those who have not chanted today, please send me an email. I made a note of whoever had sent me till this evening and I called out. Similarly, I will call out tomorrow. You can send it to brinda.vyoma@gmail.com. I will make a note and call out your names tomorrow. As usual, we'll conclude with the last shloka and Shanti Mantraha. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः. Thank you to our panelists Ishu and Aditi. You have assisted so well. Tomorrow we are going to conclude learning this Mahavira Vaibhavam, Shri Raghuvira Gadyam. Day after, on Shri Ramanavami, will be a complete recitation with slightly different tune, as in same tune but with more of raga, as I was taught by my guru. I would be reciting in that way. So let us experience the entire Gadyam start to finish on Shri Ramanavami. Dhanyavadaha. Shvaha punarmilamaha. We will meet tomorrow at the same time to complete learning the Gadyam. Dhanyavadaha.